everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Goal Humanity. So today we will be discussing why we often keep ourselves comparing to others and why we sometimes feel jealous about someone, and how can we stop all this comparison and the jealousness feeling. So let's see. You all must have heard the famous dialogue from Three Idiots movie. अगर दोस्त फेल हो जाए तो दुख होता है, पर अगर दोस्त फर्स्ट आ जाए तो बहुत ज़्यादा दुख होता है. So we all have that tendency. If someone doesn't do well, we feel sad about it. But if someone does very well, then we feel very sad about it. That's the human tendency. We often keep justifying our failures by saying that no, I was not that rich, my financial condition was not good, or my friend is succeed because he used some unethical means, he is not worth of that post. But instead we should do opposite of it. That is, we should ask ourselves where I am lacking, how can I improve myself, learn from your mistakes so that you can grow. You don't blame your fortune for your failures. Jealousy is when we count others' blessings instead of our own. When we heartedly accept the positive qualities in others, those positive qualities manifest in us and it makes us more stronger. And when we appreciate someone, the jealousy gets dissolved. So appreciate others and see always the positive side. See, every person has a positive and the negative side, but it is our choice what we have to see. So always see the positive side of the person. So you all must have heard the example of famous Chinese bamboo tree. So it takes 5 years just to emerge as a little sprout from the earth, and after those 5 years it takes 6 weeks to grow up to 90 feet tall. Can you imagine 90 feet tall tree? So for all those 5 years, what that little tree was doing? That little tree was growing her roots deep down so that it can be strong enough to support its potential. And also we can relate our life to this bamboo tree. When we are struggling and we do not see any result, keep in mind that we are growing and we are strengthening our roots deep down so that in future we can grow at much height. So always learn from this bamboo tree that be persistent and keep working hard. It will pay off one day. See, don't keep comparing yourself to others. See, each one has the struggling phase in their life. Someone encounter the struggling phase early in the life, someone encounter it later. But everyone has the struggle in their life. So don't keep comparing yourself to others. Because if you don't define what success means to you, then you keep comparing what success means to other people. So define what success means to you financially, mentally, spiritually, and in every aspect. If for some people success means having a lot of money, and for some people success means just to be happy and satisfied. So everyone has a different definition of success. So what's your definition? You have to find out that. So if you find out your definition, you won't compare it to others' definition. So go and find it out what success means to you. If your happiness, your sadness, your misery, your thoughts is determined by something or someone around you, the chances of you being happy is remote. So at least take charge of this body, your thoughts and your happiness. Take charge of it. See, there are some of the ways which can help you to focus on yourself. First thing is, limit the use of social medias. On social media, no one shares their crappy days, their real life drama. All they share is happy things. And we seeing their post and their profile pictures think that their lives are perfect, but let me tell you, no one is perfect. Second thing is, believe in yourself no matter what. Third thing is self-care. Talk with yourself, sit with yourself, have a healthy body and meditate. Do some meditation to relax your mind. Then compete with yourself. Don't try to compete with others. The only person you can compete with is the person who you were yesterday. So compete with yourself, don't try to compete with others. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter who is prettier, who is rich, who is more successful. All that matter is whether you are happy or not, and nothing is worth of it if you are not happy. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment down below this video, and please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and I will come with such more positive content. Until then, keep smiling, stay happy. Bye. Thank you.